Today, I will show you how to set up this in your Facebook app so that people will start adding you as friend and they will start following you as followers. If you want your followers count to start increasing and you don't want people to add you anymore as friend, most people, they don't want to follow you, they want to add you as friend, and you don't want them to add you as friend again. I will show you how to set up this setting in your Facebook app. Let's go to the app.
So this is how to do it. You click on this normal Facebook. Don't use Facebook Lite, use the normal Facebook. You click on it. When it has opened, you click on this three line by the left hand side. You click on it. You scroll down. You click on setting and privacy. You click on setting again. This setting under, click on this setting again. Then you wait for it to open. When it has opened, you scroll down. You click on followers and public content. You click on the first one, who can follow me. If this public is not selected, you click on it and select it, then you save it. Then you click on how people can find and contact you. You click on it. The first one here is saying who can send you friend request. You click on that one. You see my own is on no one, because I don't want people to send me friend request again. I want people to follow me. So you click on no one, then you save it. That's all you need to set in your Facebook, so that to stop people from adding you as friend and start following you as your followers.